Hi guys, we're going to try to get an early start today. Got a little project that we needed to get going, and we're going to get to that. So the problem is that the trees that we need to remove on the mountain, they basically grow in rock, and it's going to be really difficult to get them out. So we're going to try to make some kind of a accessory for our skid loader that should allow us to kind of scratch at the ground and get roots pried out. First order is to get this piece of 1/2-inch plate cut up that I've had laying around here for quite a while, and I'm going to get this marked and attached to the back plate. This thing's going to end up weighing a lot before it's done. I'm not sure how we're even going to move it around, but so first thing first is get some cutting accomplished. You thought I was going to cut it with this? Already in the 80s and 100 and some percent humidity this morning from the rain. So this is going to be a lot of fun. And while I'm out back cooking steel, Debbie is out here
painting Debbie.
Well, hopefully she'll get more paint on the sawmill than she gets on herself, but it's a 50-50, so we'll see.
National Guard is out making practice runs today. America. Well, the plasma torch is good up to 3/4 of an inch, so it's not going to go through this. You thought I was going to use this?
Okay, we're going to grind these edges off a little bit and clean things up. I'm not going to put too much work into it because it's just a tool to dig around in the dirt, but this thing's going to end up weighing a ton. Haven't quite figured out how we're going to move it yet, but anyway. Oh, I'll bet you thought I was going to use this. Well, you're right this time. I'm not gonna what?
You're not gonna show my hands. That's still not as bad as when I was picking the weeds and the mulberry stuff.
Hopefully we got enough paint left for the mill.
I don't think we do. But my shoes don't look too bad. I mean, my right shoe sort of sucks.
Who wears white shoes for painting?
Who wears a white shirt for painting? Who wears a gray pair of pants for painting?
We're making our own brand of indigo paint here. So we're mixing black in with safety blue and some Rust-Oleum Professional here. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty color.
Yeah, but that looks way darker than what's in that.
You got a ton of mixing to do.
Yeah, I guess so.
Anyway, that's what the color looks like when it's mixed out. Just wanted to do something different. Okay, we're going to get this quick change adapter welded onto a 1/2-inch steel plate, and then we can get the tooth figured out and welded to the other side. Got the adapter welded to the plate, and right now we're getting rained out, so get back to this as soon as the wet stops. Well, it rained out yesterday, but back at today, so here's the tooth tacked together so far. I got the 1.5-inch bar down on the bottom of it. Doesn't look like it, but the square says it's straight, so I guess we can go ahead and keep welding it from here. And I'm going to have to come up with some extensive gusseting to reinforce this. Well, the thunder's carrying on behind me, and I think it's time to go change this shirt. It's been really warm out here today. Humidity's been really high, and it's still kind of early in the afternoon, but it's getting kind of dark out here. So I think we're going to have to call it a day. But we'll get back to this pick business here pretty soon and show the progress of it as it gets closer to completion. Amazing how much rust you can get just overnight.
Okay, we got the Bobcat implement assembled, and hope the thing's stout enough. Never seen one before. Don't know if it'll work or not, but it's plenty heavy, probably about 300 pounds of steel there, but we got the adapter plate on it for quick changes, and some pretty heavy gussets on the top of it. Hopefully that's good enough. I added a bracket on the top of it just to be able to lift it with, but I think it might come in handy for prying under logs too, so we'll see how that works, and if it doesn't, we'll cut it off. In the meantime, the saw is getting painted. Got covers being done, the framework's being done. Still got a couple of minor things to do to the saw head, but we'll get that pretty quick. Well, it's been another hot and steamy day. I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing. We're up to just over 150 subscribers now, and that's awesome. And we'll just keep on making more videos. Thanks.